Upgraded TidyBot, 3D cleaning system, 1600 PA powerful suction. Motor, brushless motor, operating noise level, 59 decibels, dustbin, 450 milliliters, battery, 2000 mAh, charge time, 2-3 hours, run time, 2 hours. 4 cleaning modes: auto clean, max vacuum, spot clean, edge clean, focus on picking up hairs, dirt, debris and the hard to clean edges and corners. Tech, seismic technology for intelligently identifying and cleaning any debris, smart infrared sensor for evading obstacles, drop sensing tech to avoid falls, anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, auto return charging for always ready to clean. Obstacle climbing ability, climbing over barriers or threshold of maximum 15 mm height, no need to move it to another place or room, effortlessly moves from hard floor to carpets,